In the metals market, silver today had a pretty good jump, up over 1.5%, closed really close to the highs as well. This is one of the biggest jumps of the month of October, actually the second biggest jump for the month of October, and it acts as a technical breakout as well, getting above key moving averages like the 50-day moving average and getting into what I call a clear path, which is really kind of a smooth area for silver to continue to climb, which is what the technical side of this at least looks like. Fundamental side, there's not a lot of weakness to be seen for precious metals, given where central banks are headed. Looking at the gold-silver ratio, it's at the lowest level it's been in almost 2 months, down at about 83. I've talked about that for quite a while. The historical average for the gold-silver ratio is much lower than the 83 level that it's at right now. Again, that ratio is the number of ounces of silver it would take to buy 1 ounce of gold. And again, silver was much stronger than gold, and it's kind of a good time for this ratio to compress if it's going to compress, because the seasonality of silver is entering one of the stronger periods. The end of October, beginning of November is a strong seasonal period for silver, and it's not a strong seasonal period for gold. There's about an area, again, this is all about 20 years of price data, and it is not the be-all, end-all, but it is part of the tailwind for silver that gold is not going to have. Gold generally rallies for about the first week of November, then falls and moves sideways, where silver generally, again, historically, rallies through the month of November, from the start of November all the way toward the last week of November. So it would be a good time, based on just seasonality, for that ratio to compress, which it did start to do today as silver outperforms gold.